Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to use your camera as a webcam on OBS. You just need your OBS studio and your phone. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and peace. First you have to connect your phone and your PC to the same Wi-Fi connection. Then you open your OBS. You go here, this plus mark. You click it. You choose browser. You click OK. Now you go to your phone, you open any browser you want, you type OBS Ninja, you choose the first website, then you go to add your camera to OBS, click allow, and then you choose the camera that you want to record with, either the front camera or the back camera. Now you get back to your computer and you paste the link that you copied with your phone in this URL. And there you go, you have your webcam. My internet is trash. My internet is trash. but it's working 100%. But it's working 100%.